So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So today we are here together for celebrating Children's Day. Okay. So this is 14 November. So we are here celebrating for Children's Day. So first of all, I am wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Okay. So you all are children. So this day is very useful, or this day is very precious for you or for every children. So we will start this topic by help of you. Okay. So who will initiate today? Samyak.
Okay, so first I want to tell you who was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and why we say what's the history of this festival of 14 November. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our country India, and he was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, and he was involved in the freedom struggle and was the architect of modern and democratic India. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also told that I may have not time for adults, but I have enough time for children. Like he loved children too much, and children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. And we celebrate this festival in the honor of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birth anniversary. That's all.
Yes. Samyak. So you have great initiated this topic, Children's Day. So we are here to celebrate Children's Day. So you know already children's are the very loving for Chacha Nehru. So Chacha Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our India, of our country. So Chacha Nehru loves children very much. We already aware, but who means how Chacha Nehru loved children so much? Why they don't believe? Why they don't believe not on adult, only on children? Is there any answer?
Yes, I am agree with this, and Samyak also told the quote. He had time for didn't have time for adults, but he had time for children. He loved children so much because they also respected him, and he loved that playing children around him, that enjoying, and also he just loved them this much that he converted his birthday into the children's day.
Because they believe that means when we are sad or when we are feel means very nervous and all, so if we spend time with children, so that time our mind is happy and we feel very fresh. So they just believe means children are very loving and caring. Okay. So next, continue.
It is a very special festival, space, space, special festival for all the children, and it is celebrated on 14 November. It's the birthday of Dr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he loves children very much.
Yes, Children's Day is a special day for all children, and Children's Day celebrate 14 November in every year in India, and it was the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was the first Prime Minister of India, and he loved the children very much.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you. And as we all know that every children wait for this day, 14th of November, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru converted this day into Children's Day because today's on this occasion today is Jawaharlal Nehru birthday, but we are celebrating this day as Children's Day. And in many school, in many places, people celebrate this day as Children's Day, and we are very excited for this day, that when we will stand our stall in the school, and when we will get delicious food item, and children's stand a stall, and sometimes they play some games activity by which they can feel happy.
In the schools, fair is organized by the teachers or by the student staff. That is very special for the children. All the students feel very special on the day, that because that is their own day, and they can enjoy fully. Every children know how to celebrate day, and every children should should organize a restaurant on this day. That for what? Because on this day they should learn about how can we make our business big business, and that's all.
Okay, so everyone told many things about Children's Day. Like in the schools, there are fun fairs. Small fun fairs are set up for the children, in that they can just open stalls just for food items, for just toys, handmade things, and so many things. It is the day for the children on which teachers also just performs so many things for the children, give them gifts, and basically in the schools there are so many functions happen for the Children's Day. And also it is allowed to wear the casual dress, or just according to the type of clothes they have told, like traditional and other things. Also it is so much fun day, and everyone enjoys so much. Also teacher also enjoy, and I think it is the day on which both children and teacher can get closer to each other.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is also our first president, and he was a great advocate and leader of our country, India. Means the his birthday is held on 14 November, and this day he converts into the Children's Day. That is why we celebrating. And just like you can see in the schools, the students organize their stalls for their selling their good items, just like playing items, and just like food, delicious food items.
Yes, the Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. In every year, the honoring Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday. But this festival is not only about the Nehru birthday. This festival is also about the right and welfare of children.
So I am fully agree with all of you. Okay. So actually, you already said that means this day schools organize food stalls and all. So means apart from food stalls, means other activities just you have to share. Samyak.
So apart from these like a fun fair or opening the restaurants, we can do so many things with our friends. Like it's a festival of happiness and spreading joy. So we can have a party, like anyone can perform, like we can share poetry, jokes, and giving a speech on Children's Day about Children's Day, and we can also record it for our memories. We can also go for a cafe to have party, and we can also watch movies and record them. So it will create a memory, and we will whenever we watch these memories in our future, so we will get happy.
Actually, exactly. Actually, I got your all points. Means actually, if I am a teacher, so I captured your all whole year memories. I have and I had. Okay. So Christy.
Yes, I'm gonna answer this question too. That it's not only just food stalls, fun fairs. There are games, also competitions like fancy dress competitions, and just as he told about dance competitions and so many. And children are dressed in different things, different types of clothes from different states and other things for the fancy dress competition. Also, we just enjoy with our teacher. They also gifts are distributed on this.
He can say that children is a bright future for our nation, and and many schools are organize many things like organize shops, and many schools are children are give a presentation on a speech of Children's Day.
Yes, in a school, children and teacher organized a program and for Children's Day, and and children set up their shops and play the games and other activities.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you. And sometimes people, childrens organize some games, and the director of the school or principal of the school give them some task on this day, I think that children believe on those 2 days too much. First Children's Day or second Christmas Day, because on Children's Day people get freedom. Children get freedom. On Christmas Day, children get gifts, but they don't know. They think that Santa gives us gift, but they don't know that our parents is our Santa. They gives us gift.
Children's Day is not only to open stalls. And on this day, children can know about the how can I be able to how can we do their business in their future, and they become able to do any business.
He's telling that that not only stalls are just celebrated, it is that they do stalls and also businesses in that. I could not also understand what he was saying.
Veer wants to say that means children know means how they survive in their future, means with the help of stalls and all, means value of the money and the value of the time and the value of the surviving in front of others. Okay, so let's conclude this topic. Who will conclude this Children's Day?
So this day is and also happy Children's Day to all of you, and this day is just tells about children's. It is the only day on which children enjoy, not only day, but it is the main day of children on which children get so much importance, gifts. There are so many functions, surprises happens for children in the school, not only school, institutes, colleges, also tuition centers. Like we also celebrate, our teacher gives us party, and also some competitions are held, and this is the day on which, just like Jawaharlal Nehru loved children so much, and children also loved him, so he and he wanted that his birthday can be as Children's Day, because he wanted to Leah just think that I loved children so much.
Okay, so in conclusion, I want to say that Children's Day is not just for having party, fun, fair and chocolate. It's a day to remind or recognize ourselves that we are the future of our great nation. So that we should do hard work and think positively to achieve our goals, like Chacha Nehru. And I want to say something important, that it's a day of happiness and spreading joy. That we always celebrate Children's Day, but those who are not able to celebrate, those who are poor, and so they do not have money. Like there are so many poor children I have seen on the roads ask for money, and so I want to say that we should donate food and on so many things for their basic needs. That's all.
So at the end, I am wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.